Well, Jeffrey from Bestland Garage Door Service is here today, and we want to know if your garage door was a music genre, what would it be? We have some fun choices here for you. Rock and roll, loud and proud. Country, not flashy, but works when you need it. Rap, it talks back at you every time you hit the button. Or smooth jazz, quiet, clean, and effortless.
All right, you can speak into our Local 5 Live megaphone. People are doing it right now. You can see those numbers changing. Head to wearegreenbay.com, click on Local 5 Live to answer, or just scan that QR code on your screen.
Jeffrey, I know you're a musician. I mean, you've got, like notes on your arm here. But I guess it depends on what genre you like. Some of those, if you're describing your garage door as that, might mean you need a call.
Yes.
Like rap? If it's talking back?
If it's talking back.
If it's rock and roll?
Yes, those are definitely not. You don't want the out of the ordinary. Smooth jazz might be boring to a lot of people, but when it comes to your garage door, it is a very soothing, relaxing sound.
Very good.
We want to make sure we start with your name change because you are a long-standing locally owned business, and we want to rebrand as Bestland, correct?
Absolutely. We're formerly Badgerland Garage Door Service, now Bestland Garage Door Service. Same local ownership, same great service, same continuous warranty.
Let's talk about your services. If our garage door is rock and roll or rap, it might be an indication that we need at least a repair, right? What are some other things we should look for?
The noises are going to be the biggest thing.
Okay.
After noises comes complete dysfunction. So if it's not working at all, obviously it's pretty self-explanatory that you need help right now. But if those noises that you hear here and there are getting worse and worse, it's definitely not a bad idea to get it looked at before major catastrophe.
And there are times where we need a new door, and you can help with that too.
Absolutely. We can send someone out, take measurements. We have so many different door options to go with anything. If you're just looking for a new door, if you're remodeling the entire front of your house, there's windows, there's no windows, insulated, the sky is really the limit.
Oh, I didn't know we could get an insulated one. It's the first time we brought that up. I like it. Winter's here in Wisconsin. Okay, let's talk a little bit about your repair team. There are reasons we don't want to attempt this ourselves.
Yes, garage doors can be very, very dangerous, and although our staff makes it look very, very easy, they've been doing it for a very long time.
Yeah.
How do we get started with you? I know, like you mentioned, it's better to get ahead of these problems.
Absolutely. If you're wanting someone to come take a look at your door, the best way is to just give us a call.
Are you able to respond in an emergency at this point, or?
In most cases, we can get to you today. If not today, very early the following morning.
Okay, and your service area, Jeffrey?
Service area currently is from Little Swamico all the way to Oshkosh and expanding soon.
Oh, all right. Well, we'll check in with you on that next month. Okay.
Well, let's peek back at that megaphone question one last time. I don't know if we're going to get any performances from Jeffrey today, but we don't want to hear from your garage door either. We'll take a look. We're kind of in that middle zone. A little bit of smooth jazz, some country. I think people are just picking their favorite tunes.
I don't know. Now we've added some rock. Before they were 0. Now we've got rock and roll and rap votes. So some of you may be needing to call Jeffrey at Bestland. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
You can do that at 920-739-3667.
You can even book an appointment online. Head to bestlandgaragedoor.com.